Good morning, students of Standard 10th. Today we will be revising A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. It's a story about how an intelligent person who also treated animals successfully revived a dog which almost lost his life due to over pampering. This is a story about a lonely lady who had a pet dog and she pampered it to the fullest. Dog too was greedy and never refused whatever food was offered, and as a result, he had been in such a condition that the dog could have lost his life. Let's know something more about James Herriot before we move ahead. James Alfred Way, 3rd October 1916 to 23rd February 1995, known by his pen name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. He worked as a veterinarian in the Yorkshire Dales for almost 50 years. He used this experience to write short stories, novels, and other formats of books set in England about animals and their owners. There have been multiple television and film adaptations of Herriot's books, including 1975 film All Creatures Great and Small and the BBC television series of the same name, which ran for a total of 90 episodes. You know how famous, how popular he was in Britain. Let's figure out something more about the story now. Introduction of the chapter first. The chapter is based on the cases Mr. James Herriot had witnessed during his career as a veterinary doctor. He himself is the narrator of the story. However, the story is not directly linked to any real life case he had dealt with. Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich but lonely woman. Tricky is her much pampered pet dog. She has a habit of overfeeding the dog with all sorts of lavish food items ranging from eggs to cakes, chocolates, wine and brandy. As a result, he falls terribly ill. Mrs. Pumphrey asks the narrator, who is a vet, to treat Tricky. What way does the narrator adopt to treat Tricky? Does Tricky recover? What is Mrs. Pumphrey's reaction? Now, detailed summary. I named the main topic as Mr. Herriot's chance meeting with Pumphrey and Tricky on the streets. Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky are taking a walk. Mr. Herriot, who was passing by, stops his car, asks Mrs. Pumphrey the reason for Tricky's sickly appearance, hugely fat like a bloated sausage, eyed bloodshot and roomy, tongue lolled from the jaws. All these are sign of that he looked sick. She has been feeding him extra food other than regular meals, malt, cod liver oil, Horlicks, cream cakes, chocolates, etc. to build up his strength. No exercises for Tricky other than small walks in the evening sometimes. Mr. Herriot severely warns her and asks her to stop overfeeding Tricky. Tricky's appearance. Now this is Tricky. You see a bloated sausage-like dog. Mrs. Pumphrey calls Mr. Herriot. Tricky doesn't eat, refuses his favorite food, doesn't move, bouts of vomiting and panting. Mr. Herriot takes away Tricky. He had made his plans in advance, suggested Tricky be hospitalized for a fortnight, took him away amidst tears and wailings. Staff tried to bring Tricky's items. Doctor didn't take anything. Now Tricky is brought to surgery. His initial appearance is dull and inactive. He doesn't show any interest in his surrounding. No medicines were given to him. He wasn't given any food either. And he was kept on plenty of water. The moment he was brought into the surgery, the dogs who were there for treatment came out and inspected Tricky. They didn't find Tricky very interesting. The Tricky stayed like that in water, and on the third day he came out and showed interest in eating food. Suddenly the other dogs there came, they pulled him down, they trampled over it. Tricky said nothing, didn't react, and finally he became friendly with the dogs over there. He started playing with them, and since the day he was started playing, a separate bowl of food was given to Tricky. And from that day onwards, his recovery was very rapid. He started recovering quickly. He was given healthy food at regular intervals and plenty of exercise, running, playing with other dogs, etc. And that built up Tricky's strength. His problem was overfeeding and lack of exercise. So here the diet was balanced and lots of exercise was provided to the dog. Hence, it started showing quick recovery. Mrs. Pumphrey often called to know about Tricky. She asked about the health, how was Tricky's health for coming up, was he given enough food or good food, he was properly fed, and whether his proper coats, he was putting on his proper coats, and whether he was sleeping in his proper cushions, right, on the proper cushions, that was also inquiry made. Mr. Harriet didn't give much information. He just said he is recovering. That was the only thing he said, and very smartly avoided the questions on cushions, coats, etc. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey sends food and drink. She sent egg, lots of egg for Tricky, then wine, and finally she started sending brandy so that Tricky's health was built up a bit. Right? Mr. Harriet didn't provide anything. They started having extra eggs with their breakfast and lunch. They, along with the wine, the wine that was sent, they had it with their whatever having their lunch or dinner. The wine, many glasses of wine they used to consume, and finally, when brandy came in, they consumed it during the night. Basically, here, the intelligence of the doctor comes to fore. He knew what Tricky's actual problem was. Now Tricky goes home from there. Mrs. Harriet asked Mrs. Pumphrey to take him away after a fortnight. The moment Tricky saw his mistress, he was very happy. He jumped on her lap. Mrs. Pumphrey is shocked to see a well-built dog from a fat, plump one, and she calls it a victory for the clinic or the veterinary hospital. Here lies the irony of the story, because it was not victory, he was not given any medicine. So the veterinary hospital had nothing to do with Tricky's recovery. It was the victory of the intelligence, the wit of Dr. Harriet. Now here are a few words, vocabulary: sausage. You can see the picture of sausage I have provided. The numbers on the picture will tell you which word they are. So these words you have got in your class, but still you can go through the words that I thought you should know, right? So most of the word has been there. You can pause the screen and note them down if there is any issue. So here are a few dogs, a few words, the name of dogs and other thing. So that will be all, children. You all take good care. I will coming up with another video very soon. Till then, be well, study hard,